Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about some oils to fight against wrinkles. Wrinkles are a natural part of the aging process, occurring due to a combination of factors including reduced collagen and elastin production, decreased skin elasticity, and environmental damage such as UV exposure and pollution. As we age, our skin's ability to retain moisture diminishes, leading to dryness and the formation of wrinkles. But do not worry. Today we will talk about 5 best oils to improve your skin and fight against wrinkles. Number 1. Jojoba Oil. Jojoba oil is derived from the seeds of the jojoba plant native to the southwestern United States and Mexico. Unlike other oils, jojoba oil closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, making it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types. Its composition of vitamins E and B, along with minerals like copper and zinc, helps nourish and protect the skin. Jojoba oil's lightweight texture allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin without clogging pores, making it suitable for both oily and dry skin types. How to use jojoba oil? Jojoba oil can be applied directly to the skin as a moisturizer or mixed with other skincare products such as serums or moisturizers. It can also be used as a carrier oil for essential oils. For best results, apply a few drops of jojoba oil to clean, damp skin morning and night, gently massaging it in until absorbed. It can also be used as a makeup remover or added to bath water for a hydrating soak. Rosehip seed oil is extracted from the seeds of the Rosa canina rose bush, which is native to certain regions of Europe, South America, and Africa. It's rich in vitamins A and C, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants like beta-carotene and lycopene. These nutrients help protect the skin from free radical damage, stimulate collagen production, and promote cell regeneration. Rosehip seed oil is also known for its ability to improve skin texture, tone, and elasticity. How to use rosehip seed oil? Rosehip seed oil can be applied directly to the skin as a facial oil or mixed with other skincare products such as moisturizers or serums. To use, apply a few drops of rosehip seed oil to clean, damp skin and massage it in gently until absorbed. It can be used morning and night as part of your skincare routine. Additionally, rosehip seed oil can be used as a spot treatment for scars, stretch marks, and other skin imperfections. Argan oil is derived from the kernels of the argan tree, which is native to Morocco. It's rich in vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants, making it an effective moisturizer and anti-aging treatment. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damage, while essential fatty acids like linoleic acid help maintain the skin's barrier function and prevent moisture loss. Argan oil also contains squalene, a natural emollient that helps soften and smooth the skin. How to use argan oil? Argan oil can be applied directly to the skin as a facial oil. Argan oil can be used to nourish and condition the hair and nails. Marula oil is extracted from the kernels of the marula fruit, which is native to southern Africa. It's rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and flavonoids, as well as essential fatty acids like omega-6 and omega-9. These nutrients help protect the skin from free radical damage, improve hydration and elasticity, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Marula oil is lightweight and easily absorbed, making it suitable for all skin types. How to use marula oil? It can be used morning and night as part of your skincare routine. Additionally, marula oil can be used to hydrate and nourish the hair and scalp. Rosemary oil is derived from the leaves of the rosemary plant, which is native to the Mediterranean region. It's rich in antioxidants, including carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, as well as essential oils like cineole and camphor. These compounds help protect the skin from free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation, which can help promote collagen production and skin elasticity. Rosemary oil also has antimicrobial properties that may help prevent acne and other skin conditions. How to use rosemary oil? Rosemary oil should be diluted with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil before applying it to the skin, as it can be irritating in its pure form. To use, mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil and apply it to clean, damp skin, avoiding the eye area. Gently massage the oil into the skin until absorbed. It can be used as a spot treatment for wrinkles or added to homemade skincare products like creams, lotions, and masks. Rosemary oil can also be used in aromatherapy or as a massage oil to relax and rejuvenate the skin. When incorporating oils into your skincare routine, start with clean, damp skin to help the oil penetrate more effectively. Apply a few drops of oil to your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin using upward and outward motions. Focus on areas prone to wrinkles, such as the forehead, around the eyes, and mouth. Allow the oil to absorb fully before applying additional skincare products or makeup. Consistency is key when using oils to combat wrinkles, so be patient and give your skin time to reap the benefits. In conclusion, these 5 oils, jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil, argan oil, marula oil, and rosemary oil, each offer unique benefits for combating wrinkles and promoting healthy, youthful-looking skin. By understanding the causes of wrinkles and incorporating these oils into your skincare routine, you can nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin for a radiant complexion at any age. I hope this provides a more comprehensive understanding of the benefits of these oils. Additionally, you can also use castor oils for your hairs and skin care. If you have any further questions or need additional information, please feel free to ask. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.